Hi and what's up? In today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to make spinach banana smoothie, and it's going to be very easy. This recipe is good for weight loss. If you're intending on losing a couple of pounds or kgs, this is the recipe for you. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to be using 3 ingredients. I have bananas, spinach, which are very fresh, and milk. You can switch the milk with water if you don't like milk in your smoothies. So mine, I'm going to be adding milk, bananas, and my spinach. Then I'm going to cover and blend. My smoothie is ready, and this looks so good. So I'm going to add mine in a mason jar. And the good thing about adding bananas in this recipe is because the bananas are going to add a lot of creaminess and sweetness. So actually you can't taste the spinach. So if you don't like the green smoothie, you try out this recipe just to add fiber in your diet, and you will be good to go, because the spinach is full of vitamins and minerals, fiber. So thank you so much for watching, and catch you on my next one. Bye.